Hello. Uh, it is indeed privilege to be live with all of you. I'm sure you all are slowly joining this session. If I am audible, do send me. Yeah. I have started receiving the feedback. Thank you very much for COEP group for organizing this Facebook live session. It is indeed privilege to be among you and with you. I have visited COEP and also visited your incubation center. You have a wonderful facility. Indeed, I must appreciate all of you. And during the COVID-19 time, I would like to know from all the students what kind of a contribution as an engineering student you have made. This is the uncertainty and unpredictable time. We all are facing the challenges with respect to the normal livelihood, and this is when this pandemic challenge is going to get over, we don't know. But through this kind of online social media, we are connecting with each other. And with this, I would like to share some of my views how the current situation can best be utilized by the students. This is the right time to build your skill and strength for the future innovation. And how it can be built? It's a wonderful time where you can work on strengthening your foundation and the basics. And this is something which will really help all of you to transform our future. We all want to build the new India, but what should be there in the new India? How this new India is going to benefit all of us? That's what strategizing yourself, strategize your work, your research activity, your innovation, and work on the grassroots challenges. It is important for all of us to design the new and innovative solution for the people who are really challenging the challenges which they are facing on ground. And that's what is important for all of us. Try to identify the challenge, try to identify the right solution which is under your imagination. And with this, I think it's a time for all of us to work together. Such sessions will just give you an insight, but working, planning, and executing your activities is going to benefit all of us. We at Atal Innovation Mission have organized various sessions during this lockdown phase, including the ACIC WebEx sessions, the AIC WebEx sessions, Atal Tinkering Lab initiatives. So many initiatives Atal Innovation Mission has taken. Many initiatives are leading to build the skills of the student and offering them a strong hold on the technology upgradation and learning and absorbing the new and futuristic technology platform. Atal Innovation Mission has always nurtured the creative talent of student, and that's what it has continued doing since 2016. It's really a wonderful journey of Atal Innovation Mission. One should also do the research on the AIM initiative and AIM activities. Atal Innovation Mission was started in 2016 with merely four managers and in a small table, wherein today we have more than 35 people working and more than 90% district are covered. Each district has Atal Tinkering Lab. Many state capitals and the tier 1 cities have Atal Incubation Center. 24 tier 2, tier 3 cities have Atal Community Innovation Center. And many such Atal New India challenges and Atal research and innovation initiatives for small enterprises are going to transform the country. What contribution students can make here? Are you a part of an ecosystem? If not, try to engage with these initiatives. And they are really going to help entire country to build the technology driven, innovation driven, insightful, solution providing country, where students are actively part of this entire momentum. We should be part of the nation building activity, which is the prime motive of this group as well. While we are building the nation, it's important for all of us to focus on the challenge. Many such challenges. You can write here also your views. I can see the comments here, so that whatsoever the challenges which you have faced or you have observed, can you write it here? If not, then start following your insight, where really a grassroots challenge is and what exactly those challenges are, where the shoe is pinching and what exactly the solution as a technology student, as an engineering student you can offer. Like during this summer, peak summer season, there is a crisis for the availability of water for birds. The free birds which are flying, they need water. As an engineer, what kind of a solution you foresee? I know one of the tinkering lab student has designed a novel prototype. He has utilized 2-liter bottle. He has utilized his lunch box, taken up, put at two squares in the corners of the lunch box, and in the center he has put the exactly the same size hole where the 2-liter soft drink bottle is having a cap. He has filled entire bottle with water. He has capped the water into the container, and the cover he has screwed like a cap, and then rotated the bottle upside down, and then close the water cover, lunchbox cover. And with engineering student, you know that with the reversal pressure and water level reaching to certain heights, it will lock the entire mechanism. And he has put entire assembly just outside. So whenever the water level goes down, the 2-liter filled water is again filling this water. And by this mechanism, he could able to ensure that 24/7 water is available into that lunchbox type of container. It's a very small design prototype, but it has an impact on the birds, impact on the people who cannot refill the water many a times during the day, and water evaporation is also happening in the jar. So this is something which is a small problem, and solution is rightly designed, and this shows the perception of a student towards designing the useful and innovative solution. Secondly, There are many other challenges which we were facing during the COVID-19 days. Many students have tried to work on the ventilator, and certain startup founders have really designed a useful and insightful ventilators. These ventilators are really reducing the cost by 1 is to 10 or 1 by 10x or 1 by 20x. So normal ventilator which was available ranging from 20 lakh to 35 lakh, they have designed the solution which is now currently available ranging around 1 lakh rupees. And necessity is the mother of innovation. We may not have thought that we would be in need of innovation in ventilators. But as soon as the need arises, all the startup founders, researchers, small enterprises have jumped towards designing a new and useful innovation. There are more than 15 to 20 designs which are approved in India. And this is the power of innovation. Everybody has worked together, everybody has worked as a team, and many open source design is also available, accessible. Same way on mask, N95 mask or a cloth mask. This is something which it was selling at price ranging from about 30 to 150 rupees. Now even for N95 the price reduction is huge. The thing which was sold at ranging around 400 rupees is now easily available 1 by 4th price. And even a normal cloth mask which was available ranging around 35 to 50 rupees is now being sold at 10 rupees. And that's what the power of innovation. And they have also multiplied the volume. Yes. Thank you, Bhagyesh, for writing about the team. This is something which is a power of innovation, where all of us have to work together towards addressing the challenge which has been thrown on the humanity. COVID-19, before 3.5 months or even before 5 months, we may not have imagined that world is going to face such a huge crisis on the livelihood. And entire this term of a pandemic outbreak has changed the lives of many people. The things are not a normal. It is going to establish a new normal. And for doing it so, being a student, it's a high time for our capacity building. And the change which we all are observing are required to be ensured that we are in sync with the societal need. We are offering the things which is required by the community. We are utilizing our true potential so that we all can really offer the useful, innovative solution which can really transform the need of our society. And that's what in today's time, as a COEP students, we all need to work towards re-engineering the useful innovation. We all are master with the Jugaad solution designing. But Jugaad is Jugaad. Why? Because it doesn't involve the design thinking process. And with this, I think it's a time for all of us to reimagine the innovative solution designing, to think about useful and innovative solution which can really transform the society. And for doing it so, it's a high time to utilize your power of imagining the new designs. you should be exploring the omniscience, where anything and everything which come across you, how you can learn from that. And this is exactly in sync with the famous movie Three Idiot, where the main hero is trying to learn the science whatsoever the way and mode where he has a learning possibilities, and he is utilizing this knowledge and learning which he has gained from the classes and also by himself, and while utilizing the applied solutions and designing for the useful innovative solution, he is currently ensuring that this is something which can really transform the need. And the way entire solution has been designed, it's a truly a motivational movie. If you have not watched, you must watch this movie. And from imagining the innovation and the technology applications, this is one of the great movie worth watching this. Always, I don't think that your brain is working 24 by 7. You need a refreshment, but you need to plan your refreshment in such a way that you can really utilize the true potential of science and technology, and by that you can really design a useful solution. Now, second important skill is the entrepreneurial mindset. It's a high time for all of us to reimagine the goals and deliverables which we are thinking. Country and the world is facing the coronavirus outbreak, and this outbreak is really going to have a challenging situation in near future. How the situation are going to come back as a normal insightful life, we don't know. But one thing we know is to build our skills, build our strategy, and design a novel proposition which can be offered. Campus placement may not have the same impact what it was creating few years before, or maybe last year or but one. Campus placement may have some reduction, and in under this situation the best mode is to have a multiple strategy. If your plan A is not working, it's a high time for designing a plan B. And what should be the plan B? Plan B should be the startup and entrepreneurship journey. And this is something which is going to help you in giving the shape to your career. Nothing, you are not going to lose anything even though your startup do not achieve the takeoff. The biggest impact would be you are learning something which is not a part of a formal education or formal work function at the corporate level. And this is something which is going to help you. You are holistically thinking about offering the best useful novel solution, and your 360-degree approach is going to inherently build your strength and the skills, and that is going to be useful to all of you. And it's time for all of us to redesign, reimagining the useful and innovative solution which can really transform the overall scenario which we are observing in our surrounding. I may be repeating multiple times the same phenomenon, but the objective is to nurture and ignite your thought process towards designing the novel, useful solution. And that's what you as an engineering and technology student must be doing during this time. One such innovator in Gujarat, where startup has really designed a novel solution. We all might have observed that the street worker who are cleaning the street, they are normally picking the papers and the waste using two cardboards, and they are physically picking the things and putting it into the lorry. And here during the corona time, it's a highly risky, and one such innovator has designed a novel solution. This novel solution is going to be useful by all of us, and this is something which can really transform the livelihood of those common men who are ensuring, even during the COVID-19 lockdown situation, we are getting the very clean and safe environment outside. The design which they have really tried to put it forward involves the picking of the waste using just a lock and a switch, which if somebody is pulling, that will pull the entire two vessels, and picking up the waste, one can hold and put it into the lorry once they release the lever. And this primarily looks a very small innovation, but really this can ensure the safety of the people who are working on the front line, and that is the power of innovation. We all must gear up to design the new useful innovation, a novel proposition which can really help the common man. And it's a high time for all of us to plan designing certain innovation. We all want to achieve the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat, as per the challenge which we have accepted with due mentoring from our Honorable Prime Minister. He has shown us 5 different pillars, and these 5 pillars can be achieved if entire youth is collectively focusing towards offering a technology and innovative solution. And for this 5 pillar, 135 crore of a population is generating a huge data, and which is in a raw form, and this data can really offer a valuable and useful information. And in the context of this information, one can really generate the knowledge, new IP and unique offering which can really benefit to the society, and that is going to be a useful proposition which we should be exploring. And this is something which is the need of a current Bharat, a Bharat which needs the new useful innovation. Bharat needs the solution which can address the societal challenges. Bharat needs the cutting edge solution where the students and youth of this country can achieve the Vishwa Gurutva. We all want in the 21st century, which is a knowledge century, wherein Bharat should achieve the Vishwa Gurutva. Then the journey will start by you and me. How much we are working collectively, how much which we are working in a multidisciplinary and design the concrete useful solutions which can really transform the society. And for doing it so, it's a high time for all of us to commit ourselves. Being engineering student, being a technology student, I wish that you should be designing at least one such innovative solution which can really transform the livelihood of nearby 100 people. And being studying in the COEP, such a premier institution, and also being a scholar engineering student, what novel which we can offer, what is the unique proposition which can really build this country. And for doing it, so it's a high time for all of us to reimagine our delivery, what we are planning. And under COVID-19, what Dr. Kalam has said has the huge impact and on the society, on the students. He was always saying that dream, dream, dream till your dream comes true. If you have not dreamed, try to identify your dream, what you can offer to the society. And of course, in order to do it so, it's a high time for all of us to reimagining the utility and the other services which can be offered. It's a time of change where we may not be able to change our future, but we can change our habits to ensure that we achieve the appropriate target for our community. And that's what is going to help all of us. Each and every quote which has been given by Dr. Kalam is going to motivate and inspire our life. It's a high time for all of us to reimagining the solution which can be offered through our unique and innovative proposition which is there existing in the society. Time for all of us, including me, you and all the students, to at least focus one such problem statement. And where we can find a problem statement, even for the SDGs, Social Development Goal, how we can really ensure that we are offering at least one such innovative solution which can really transform the livelihood on the top priority sector for India, and such solution is really going to help the country in building the new India. With these words, I would like to pause my speech and would like to get your feedback, your questions, queries if you have. You are free to write your questions and queries into this chat box. I can see the chat box so that I can, yes, here. Okay. So, time to gear up all of us to build the new India, to build the Atmanirbhar Bharat through technology and innovation. And I am sure, being an engineering student, technology student, you have that innate skills, you have the innate talent which can really transform the societal livelihood by offering the new and innovative product and solution. Thank you very much for joining into this live Facebook session.